My name's Coralia Maskell-Mosley and I'm the Lettings Director of Reeds Rains Limited. This is not the first Landlord Law Conference I've been to. I attended the one in Manchester last year and it was so good I felt it would be worth coming and getting the update again this year. I think it's been a really engaging day. It's an ideal opportunity to network with colleagues in the industry. The second thing about it is it's really important to keep up to date with current legislation and practices. Teresa's chosen some really good speakers today who are very down to earth, actually out there doing the business, experiencing it for themselves, and the lovely thing about it is the way it's actually presented is very human, it's very clearly understandable, and it's an incredibly useful thing to come to.
Certainly, my name's Jackie Jacobs, my company's Latimer Management, and I'm from Romford in Essex. Well, the reason I came to the conference is I've been coming ever since I've been a member of Landlord Law, and each year I am amazed at what I've learnt, and I'd be lost without them. I've learnt so much and it's kept me out of trouble.
My name's Elliot and our company's Elliot Lee Estate Agents based in Pinner.
My name's Hannah Petford and I work with Elliot as the Operations Director.
We're at the Landlord Law Conference just to make sure that we're doing everything right. It's been very informative for us having the speakers talk about various aspects of the law. Just checking in and making sure that what we are currently doing is up to scratch. They've been a lot more witty than I thought they would be. We were thinking it was going to be quite a dull affair. We've actually quite enjoyed it, especially Kylie Minogue. So yeah, no, we've had a really good time and we'll definitely be coming back.
It's definitely been a lot more engaging than I thought it would be, to be honest. It's the first sort of legal conference that I've personally been to, but I definitely recommend it to anyone.
Sure, yeah, I'm Simon Azam from Oxfordshire. The Landlord Law Conference has been really interesting. I thought it might be very similar to last year, but it hasn't. It's raised lots of new subjects and all the speakers have been really interesting. It's short and punchy and quite funny in places as well. So yeah, it's really been good fun. A number of ways I think we benefit from coming to the law conference, and that is, one, it's a refresher of some of the things and just clarifies things because you kind of know about it but you're not quite sure, so this puts some context to it and helps clarify some of the situation. And the other thing is, which I find very important, is it raises new things that we weren't necessarily aware of, and it only touches on them briefly. It doesn't go into a great deal of depth, but then they tell you where to go and find out more about it if you want to, or they're here and you can go and chat to them. So we've been talking to a few of the presenters and asking them for a little bit more detail, so it's been really good.
My name's Mario Philippou. I'm from Able of Hertford, a letting agency in Hertfordshire. I came to the Landlord Law Conference this year because I actually received an email by chance from a friend of mine who said it might be interesting, and it's actually turned out to be a fantastic event that is unbelievably informative, gives us all of the information that we could possibly need for our day-to-day things that we deal with, and it's just turned into a fantastic afternoon on the grounds that we're here at the Marriott. Is lovely, the organisation's fantastic, cakes are lovely, and yeah, it's just really good speakers as well, so very informative, can't recommend it high enough. Yeah. With the recent changes in legislation, I mean, half of them I wasn't aware of them until this morning when I arrived, and I'm reading through the extensive packs that you guys have given us, which give us all the guidance notes and everything that we could have needed to go through everything, and take home with us as well, so we can reread them in our offices with everyone there, trying to inform them of all the changes. But the changes are coming very quickly, so it's fantastic to have something like this whereby we're all informed, we can inform our offices, and hopefully we can all abide by the law and become extremely good letting agents and landlords. So yeah, very good.